Hello, Janelle Anderson here with another tip about running profitable, simple virtual events. Another question, or one of the main questions I get from coaches, speakers, authors, program leaders around running a profitable virtual event is, how do I monetize? How do I make money from running events? Great question. It's an important one to ask, because I don't know about you, but the last thing I want to do is put a lot of energy and time and effort into creating an amazing event and promoting it and getting people in the seats and then not make any money from it. Yes, we want to give value, but we also are in business and we need to make money so that we are able then to give more value to people with what we do. So there's different ways that you can monetize your event. Obviously, you could just charge for the event, and really it depends on how long the event is or what it's about. Would determine how much you could charge for it. But for me, in my opinion, the most benefit from giving an event, as far as you financially being able to monetize it, would be on the back end and what you offer in the event. So you should think about your event as a path or a journey that your participants are on, and it's all leading them to your offer for working with you, either one-on-one, or if you have a program or a course that you're offering that they would pay for. And then you can offer your event as a free event or a minimal amount, and then an upgrade to a VIP so that they can get all the recordings, and maybe you offer a couple of extra sessions, some extra bonuses for the VIP, and then you make some money from that, and that will help you pay for the cost of promoting your event, putting your event on. But most of the money that you make is in the offer for the bigger program that you offer them while they're in that event with you. For example, one of my events is the Storytelling Mastery event, and I would offer a 12-month mastermind program where speakers and coaches and authors could build their business over a year. And so all the pieces, including storytelling and speaking, would be included in a year-long mastermind. So in the event, I'm talking about how stories help you sell and how important speaking is to getting yourself out there and building visibility and attracting potential clients to you. And then if you really want help with taking all of that and how that fits into the bigger picture of growing a profitable business, then you can come work with me for a whole year. And by the end of that year, you'll have a profitable business. So that's where I make the money, really, is inviting them to work with me for a whole year. I can give them a lot more value when I'm working with them in a consistent program over a whole year. I can offer so much more value and go much more deeper with them and really help them. So that's what I want. I want people to work with me over a year at least to have that really great result and that great transformation in their business and in themselves as business owners, as coaches, as speakers, as leaders, build that confidence in themselves, learn how to speak well, build their programs, right? Learn how to market, learn how to promote, all those things. I can't teach all of that in one event. So think about your event as a stepping stone for your audience to get to know you, like you, trust you throughout that event. And they pay maybe a little bit, so they have some skin in the game. But then your monetization comes from what you offer within that event. And so because that's so important, it's really important to learn how to make that offer in a way that is an invitation to go higher, to go deeper, to really get what they really want with you, and to do it within the event and create the event so that it really leads them to that place and really helps them to see how much they need that program. But you still want to create an event that's engaging, that's gives them value, so that people that don't sign up for your bigger offer, they still walk away feeling like, well, that was worth it. I got a lot out of that, because they might come into your bigger program later. So there's a lot of skill involved in creating an event that's going to give value and also lead people to step into a deeper place of working with you, and making that an offer in a seamless way and an irresistible way where they get to this point where, like, of course I want to sign up for that. I mean, it just makes total sense that that's what I should do. And there's a lot of skill in putting that together. So that is the best way that I know of to monetize your virtual events. And I want to just share with you something that one of my mentors always says, and he says, don't ever waste a talk. So even if you're doing a little virtual event that's a workshop for 2 hours, or whether you're doing a longer one that's maybe half a day or a whole day or a 3-day, you don't want to waste that time where you're in front of your ideal audience and you've gone through all the work to get them there, and then not make an offer for them to work with you at a deeper level. So always have an offer ready, even in a 1 or 2 hour workshop. How can they work with you in a deeper way? And you'll find that there's at least 1 or 2 people in the room, or 5 or 6 people that want that. So that's how you monetize your events, and that's how you monetize your business. I hope that this has been helpful for you. If you'd like to learn more, if you don't have a mentor or a coach to help you learn how to monetize your events, learn how to put your offer together, how to create that event so that it leads people to want to sign up for your offer, then let's get on a call and chat about how one of my programs might be able to help you to do that. So click on the link below for a strategy session with me, and let's see how we can get you monetizing your virtual events. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.